I've got a quick one for you today. If you built your face in Advanced Skeleton and you want to make your character blink, you would select these two controls here for the face controller. Those are the eyes. And you're going to go up to the channel box and you're going to go to the blink and I'm going to put 10. That's about where my eyes should close. And you can see that they're not closing all the way. They're a little wonky. So what I'm going to do to fix that is I'm going to go over here to the Advanced Skeleton panel. If it's not showing, just go to Advanced Skeleton, this 5 thing, and go down, and you're going to go down all the way to build, past build, silly me, all the way down even further to this build, to tweaks, and then you'll see this Delta Mush drop down, and there'll be a select eyelid area button. So we're going to select eyelid, and then we're going to 0 weight selected. And there you go. It closed the eyes. So we can just reselect these, and there they are open, just normal. So that's it. It's a nice little tip, and it really helps because I find that issue to happen to basically all my models. So yeah, I hope that it helps you guys too.